Good morning students. Today we will continue exercise number 2 in this triangle and its properties in the 4th chapter. So before going to that, just introduction. What is altitude? I should know about it. Altitude and height are equal, same meaning. So first altitude means height. So just I am drawing here one triangle like this. So it is one triangle. This name of the triangle is ABC. Okay. What I said, A is one vertex I said, B is another vertex, C is another vertex. So this BC is called base. This BC is called base. Okay. For this base BC, from A onwards, if you draw perpendicular, dotted line I drawn here, it is perpendicular and this point is D. So this AD is called as height or altitude. So how many altitudes you can draw for one triangle means from one vertex to, for this vertex opposite side is BC. For this vertex opposite side is AC. For this vertex opposite side is AB. So vertex to opposite side you have to draw perpendicular. Sometimes that perpendicular will be inside the triangle, sometimes that perpendicular will be outside the triangle. So if you are taking like this one triangle, I will draw. So what is this? It is a triangle ABC. So now base is BC. For this base I want to draw perpendicular. So if any line, if I draw like this, it won't be perpendicular. From vertex A, if I want to draw perpendicular, this perpendicular will come like this. Okay. And this BC should be extended like this. Now this becomes, AD becomes what? Altitude. This altitude, no need that it should be inside the triangle. So sometimes altitude will come outside the triangle also. So what is altitude means, what I said, to base you have to draw perpendicular from opposite vertex onwards. So this AD is perpendicular to BC produced. Sometimes this D point will be inside the BC, sometimes it will be outside the BC. Okay. Now I said about what is meant by altitude. Okay. Then midpoint of BC. Same one triangle I will draw here. So it is one triangle. So it is one triangle here, ABC. ABC is a triangle. So BC is base, as I already said to you. This is A is called vertex I said. Okay. So first for BC, find out the midpoint of BC. Midpoint means if it is 8 centimeters, so exactly half means 4 centimeters. So this becomes what? Midpoint of BC. So from vertex to, if you join midpoint, this line segment is said to be called median. This is called median. So if anyone will ask what is median? What is median means, what you have to say? From vertex to opposite sides midpoint, if you join with a line segment, that line segment is said to be called as median. If AD is median, D is called dash. D is called midpoint of BC. If AD is median, A is vertex, D is what? Midpoint of BC, like that. How many medians you can construct for a triangle? So from A to BC, one median. From B to AC, one median. From C to AB, one median. So how many medians will come for one triangle? For one triangle, 3 medians you can construct. So for one triangle, how many altitudes you can draw? 3 altitudes you can draw. So like this, it is just introduction for what is meant by altitude, what is meant by median. Now, so already he said what is the intersecting point of medians. So they will ask an objective. It is median. AD is median. CF is median. BE is median. All the medians will meet at one point. That point is called centroid. So what is centroid means intersection point of all the medians is called centroid. Okay. So you should know about what is meant by medians of the triangle. Altitudes means I already said to you. So intersection point of altitudes is called orthocenter. That it is not given in 8th class. We'll see later. Now exercise number 2. Just I'll explain. In triangle ABC, what is this? ABC is a triangle. D is the midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC he given. AD, line segment AD is called. You see me? D is midpoint of BC, AD is called. AD is called, very good, median. So, AE dotted line he kept, and at E like this he kept. It is called perpendicular. So, AE is perpendicular to BC means AE is called altitude. AE is called altitude. Second question, if you read, name the triangle in which the two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Name the triangle in which the two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. So here A, B, C. So what you done is from A for BC you drawn one perpendicular, yes or no? AB is perpendicular to BC means AB is what? AB is perpendicular to BC means AB is called what? Altitude. Very good. Now CB is perpendicular to AB. CB is called altitude. So it is one altitude, it is another altitude. Two altitudes are there for one triangle. So which triangle is this means? It is called right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So if it is base, this is the height. If it is base, it is height, like this. So the answer for second question is right angle triangle. Third question, if you read, does a median always lie in the interior of the triangle? So median means always it will be interior because vertex to midpoint of opposite side. So that line if you draw, always that median will be inside the triangle. Okay. Next, does an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? Just now I said altitude are not necessary that it should be inside the triangle. Sometimes it will be outside the triangle. Next, fifth question, if you see, write the side opposite to vertex y in triangle XYZ. So draw one triangle XYZ. So I am drawing here one triangle XYZ. XYZ. So XYZ is a triangle. Okay. So write the side opposite to vertex y. So this is vertex y. For y vertex, this is called adjacent side. XY is called side. YZ is side. XZ is also side. For y, these two are adjacent. So for y, this XZ is what? Opposite side. So XZ is opposite side to vertex y. Okay. Next, what he is asking, write the angle opposite to side PQ. So here just names I am changing it. PQR I am writing here. So what he is asking is PQ is a side. The angle opposite to side PQ. So P is some angle is there here, Q angle is there, R angle is there. This R angle is opposite to side PQ, yes or no? So angle R is opposite to side PQ. For side PQ, opposite angle is angle R. Write the vertex opposite to side AC in triangle ABC. Same, this only ABC triangle if you are assuming again. ABC. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So vertex opposite to side AC. AC is here. Vertex is what? B. So B is a vertex opposite to side AC. So point is called vertex. See, point means A. A is vertex, B is vertex, C is vertex. For AC, opposite vertex is what here? B. So you should know about it. Then properties of triangles. So for triangle, angle some property is there here. So what he done, see it here. So X, O, Y is there. X, O, Y, one line segment here. Okay. He drawn here line like this. And next what he done is A, B, C, one triangle he drawn here. So exactly at this places, which is dark is there na, exactly he cut these three pieces and he arranged like this here. So three pieces he kept here at center O. Exactly they fit, and this means that sum of three angles is 180 degrees. It is just proof. Activity they will say in physics, yes or no? Like this, it is one activity. Next activity 2. Activity 2 is also same thing. First he is asking to draw here ABC triangle and AM altitude he drawn here. And what he done is here one rectangle he kept like this, dotted line. So how it is there, dotted line same like that he cut this place here like this. So three angles he got it, A, B and C. This A, B, C he kept it to M. So we got here how much here? 180 degrees. So it is also angle sum property only. And how you can do like this means, see it here. Take three copies of any triangle, say ABC. Mark its angles as 1, 2 and 3 as shown the below. So here ABC is there here ABC is there, here ABC is there. Three of same kind, same. Okay. So he took 3 and this 1, 2 is there same like this, but this third one copy is there or not? This C he kept downwards. So here if he kept and if you close this one, you will get like this. So at O, what happened? 1, 2, 3 he got. Means it is perpendicular or not? 1 plus 2 plus 3 becomes 180 degrees. So from this activity also you can say that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are same. Because of these three are same triangles, angle 1 how much it is there? Here also angle 1 same. Angle 2 how much is there? Here also same. Angle 3 is also same. Copy and paste. These three are same triangles. So he molded like this. He kept like this. So we got a sum of, anyway sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Okay. So its proof is there. So this proof we'll see in the next class how to do it. Thank you.